Welcome to Windsor, Ontario, a city with rich history, culture, and vibrant riverfront views. As you cross the Ambassador Bridge from Detroit into Canada, you're driving on one of the world's most iconic international border crossings. Opened in 1929, the Ambassador Bridge was once the longest suspension bridge on Earth, stretching nearly 7,500 feet across the Detroit River, with towers soaring 386 feet above the water. Its graceful steel span and sweeping views are a fitting introduction to this unique border city. As you emerge onto Riverside Drive, to your left you'll see the Detroit River, sparkling beside you. Ahead lies Windsor's celebrated Waterfront, home to the Windsor Sculpture Park, an open-air gallery with over 31 large-scale contemporary sculptures by internationally acclaimed artists. This museum without walls is free to visit and open year-round, adding a touch of artistic elegance to the city's shoreline. Cyclists and pedestrians share the wide paved Riverfront bike trail, which runs along Riverside Drive and connects many of Windsor's best parks and attractions. This trail is part of the larger Windsor Loop and the Trans-Canada Trail, making it perfect for a leisurely walk or a scenic bike ride. Join our growing community. Like and subscribe to receive updates to ongoing construction, like the Gordie Howe Bridge and the highway widening projects on 42 and Highway number 3. It really does help. Thanks. Continuing east, you'll arrive at Dieppe Gardens, a beautifully landscaped park named in honor of the Canadian soldiers who fought at Dieppe in France during World War II. Here you'll find colorful flower beds, monuments to the armed forces, and a peaceful waterfall and pond. Dieppe Gardens is a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike, offering stunning views of the Detroit skyline and a place to relax by the water. Ouellette Avenue is Windsor's main north-south thoroughfare and its lively downtown core. Lined with shops, restaurants, and historic buildings, Ouellette Avenue is the heart of the city's urban life and a gateway to its vibrant nightlife. As you return to Riverside Drive, you'll pass the Coliseum at Caesars Windsor, the city premier music and entertainment venue, hosting top-name concerts and events throughout the year. Just next door is Caesars Windsor Casino, a bustling destination for gaming, dining, and live entertainment, drawing visitors from both sides of the border. Following Riverside as it bends east, you'll enjoy more waterfront views and access to parks and trails. The road leads you toward the historic Hiram Walker's and Sons Distillery, a landmark of Canadian whiskey heritage. Established in 1858, the distillery is famous for its Canadian Club brand and offer tours that showcase its rich history and traditional craftsmanship. This drive along Riverside Drive is a journey through Windsor's past and present, a city defined by its riverfront, its art, its history, and its welcoming spirit. From the Ambassador Bridge to Hiram Walker, you've experienced the best of Windsor. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.